Let us try to solve the next flip-flop. Now here we'll try to convert JK to D. So again, same combination, same set of instructions for the JK to D flip-flop. We have JK flip-flop and we need to convert it into D flip-flop by means of some combinational logic. So I will give D as the input and I have some combinational logic between input A and the present state Qn and Qn bar, and we'll combine them such a way that it will perform as a D flip-flop by exciting the JK flip-flop. So we will need excitation table and the characteristics equation. Okay, so as here we have input D along with Qn, that is nothing but the present state. They will combine each other to give us the next state logic, that is Qn plus 1, and we need to excite JK flip-flop. So with the help of excitation table we will excite JK on the combination of Qn and Qn plus 1 and we'll get the conversion done. So if D is 0, Qn can take two values, 0 or 1, or D is 1, again Qn will be 0 or 1. So 4 combinations we have, and next state equation for D flip-flop, that will be characteristic equation shown here. So that is nothing but D itself, input is itself the next state. So Qn plus 1 directly we can calculate as 0 0 1 1. D input is copied as it is, that is nothing but the characteristic equation for D flip-flop. And now with the help of excitation table we will fill up the JK column of the output section. So first combination for next state and present state. So here is next state and this is present state. So depending on this JK combination, 0 0 will get 0 don't care, 1 0. So for 1 0 we have don't care 1, for 0 1 we have 1 don't care, and for the last combination, that is nothing but 1 1, we have don't care 0. So let me solve the K maps for the J and K. So after solving the K maps we find out J is equal to D and K is equal to input D bar. So this is nothing but the combinational logic we obtained to convert JK flip-flop back into the D flip-flop. So let me modify this diagram. So here is the final representation for JK converted to D flip-flop. You can also convert SR flip-flop in D flip-flop in the same manner. Nothing will change, only excitation table will change. So I will modify this excitation table. If you are going to use SR flip-flop, then only excitation table will change too. With the help of this excitation table for SR flip-flop, you need to solve K-map for S and R separately, and you will get the same combination where you will get S is equal to D and R is equal to D bar, and in this diagram all J will be replaced by S and K will be replaced by R, and the flip-flop conversion SR to D will be completed. Only this section is different in that part, SR to D and JK to D. So that's all about JK flip-flop converted into D flip-flop and SR converted to D flip-flop. In this section they will see to convert SR flip-flop into T flip-flop. So I'll modify this diagram, that is nothing but SR flip-flop we have. So this will be S, R, and the input will be T, and depending on this combination I will find out the combination logic to convert SR flip-flop into T flip-flop. So we have input T here, and with the present state Qn and next state Qn plus 1. So let me fill up this truth table, whether T can take two values, 0 0 and the previous state corresponding to 0, it will be 0 or 1, and when T is equal to 1, Qn will be again 0 or 1. And according to the characteristic equation, the next state for T flip-flop is given as this formula, that is nothing but T XOR with Qn. So I will fill up this table with the XOR logic between inputs T and Qn. So this will be 0 1 1 0, and we have present state and next state combination, depending on to which we will find out the excitation table for SR flip-flop. So for first combination 0 0, SR is 0 don't care. For 1 1 combination SR is don't care 0. For 0 1 combination SR is 1 0, and for 1 0 combination SR 0 1. So let us solve the K-maps for these two, S and R. So we find out S is equal to TQN bar and R is equal to TQN. So I will modify this combination or this combination logic into the box, and I will draw the finalized diagram for SR to T conversion. So here is the final diagram for SR to T conversions. You can see easily that we have directly shorted this present state input to the AND gate to get S is equal to TQN bar and R is equal to TQN. This is how we converted SR flip-flop to T flip-flop. Thank you.